Welcome to Miss Ray's classroom. Come on in and let me show you around. As you can see from the seating arrangement, this is a cooperative learning environment. Most of the time you will be working on problems in class and not watching me teach. If there is ever a time when I'm teaching and it's necessary, then you'll just move your chair around so that you can see the board. Speaking of the board, you will notice that there are 2 full whiteboards and also a mobile whiteboard with our calendar on it. I will keep this calendar updated and expect that you pay attention to it. If you ever have a question about when something is due or possibly when the next test is, you should be able to find your answer here. You'll notice that algebra is in blue and geometry is in green. The whiteboards on the walls will be used for workspace both for me and for you. Please make sure you take care of the markers by firmly placing the cap on it, and also please do not leave them on the floor. Over here we have the cell phone holder. Each of you will be assigned a number and are expected to put your phone in the corresponding number slot on this holder. Your phone should not be in your backpack or in your pocket. Please make sure that your phone is on silent when you put it up so that we do not have to deal with any distractions. Please also do not throw your phone, as this is very delicate and needs to stay on the wall for the duration of the year. Now, I wonder what happens if I need to go to the bathroom. Great question. First rule is you should always ask for permission before you leave. Please do not interrupt if I am teaching. If I have given you permission, then you will come over here and you will pick up the pass. And then you will also write your name and the time that you are leaving on the whiteboard. This will help me keep track of who is left as well as how long you spend in the bathroom. Notice there is only 1 pass. You guessed it, that means only 1 person can go to the bathroom at a time. Does not matter if it is a boy or a girl. 1 person and 1 person only. Please return the pass to its appropriate location when you return, and also erase your name and time from the whiteboard. Next we have our resource table. Pencil looking a little dull? Come over here to sharpen it up. The mechanical sharpener works really well, but you also may need some help with it, so just ask and I'll help you. Binder looking a mess? Need to get some papers hole punched so that you can at least look organized? Come over here to hole punch multiple papers at one time. I also have hand sanitizer, lotion, and tissue if you ever need any of those. Please help yourself to these things. Of course, be respectful as you use them and try not to interrupt class. All right, moving right along. As you can see here, this is a box, a tray. There are labels here for each class period, so this is where you will turn in most of your work with the exception of quizzes and tests. Please make sure that you turn your paper into the appropriate box. Make sure you find the correct label, and please always put your name on your paper or risk a 0 on the assignment. Here you can also find blank copy paper. You may use this as you need it, of course, within reason. There's also an electric stapler here that you may use. Lastly is my own personal space and desk. You'll notice I put a stool here. This stool is for you to use if you need to talk to me or get help with something. And the rest of the space is my own personal space. I am so excited that you are in my class this year and hope this was a great introduction of my classroom expectations so that both you and I can have a great year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.